Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So as I said in my previous video, it is the 6th month birthday of my cycle, so let's celebrate it here on YouTube. But now, why am I celebrating my cycle 6th month birthday, if you may ask? I'm going to show you why I'm celebrating. This is my car and it's only fitting that I celebrated his birthday 1 year and not my cycle's birthday. Even though the car and cycle both mean a lot to me, I love them equally as much. So that's why I thought I've only celebrated the car's 1 year birthday, but why not do for my cycles both 6th and 1 year both. So last time when I did my car's 1 year birthday, I was not pausing the video, going to different spots and starting it there. But this time I have got to know how to do it. But last time I was in bit of a hurry because we needed to leave the village and go back to the city very early in order to have some works. Let's keep that aside for now. But the thing is that now there's no hurry or anything. So even though it's sunset and I'm going to be doing a review after this video, this is just the feature, show you the features of my bicycle. So let's go, starting with the body. So I've zoomed in to 1.3x and you can see it's a good cycle. The frame size is 23 inches. There were several frame sizes and the best one I liked was 23 inches. Also there was 28 inches and even more than that. Well, that was not for my height because I'm 5'3" and 28 inches won't work for me. So that's why I bought the 23-inch one. So I love this cycle very much and it comes with even great features which are not normally provided in other cycles, but I'm going to show you all of those features. Starting with the tires. The tires are the branded Hartex tires which come with the cycle itself. Okay. The branded Hartex tires come with the cycle with two reflect. Just don't mind the disturbance, like let's just keep that aside. So the Hartex tires comes with the two reflectors I've told you, and also it comes with the spokes and the wheel rim. The rim of the bicycle is very strong, like I've tested, and if you ask me how do I know, well, I'm gonna show you a situation in which I literally rode my bicycle with a flat tire. I wouldn't recommend you doing that. By the way, this is the front wheel, so let's go to the back wheel. The back also comes with the Hartex tire, and it's like a wheel, but some things like have been missed here. Just like there's one reflector, it was not the case always. I've lost one reflector, it's in my home and I need to go to the cycle shop to get it fixed. Now let's see the tire size. So you can see here it is 26 into 2.40, which means it's a 26-inch wheel, and the rotation, which is that gives the rating. I'm going to just try to get the focus here. So the 62-559 is just the code number, leave it. Rotation is max, so which means it's a branded tire, and obviously this is an MTB bike and also has the best quality tires. Coming to inflation, 4.0 bar 58 psi, which means 58 psi is the maximum recommended pressure of inflation you need to put it for the best performance. By the way, I won't inflate it to 58 psi because I don't want it to be an overload on max performance also. Then I just keep it around 40 psi. Now coming to the rims, now let's go there. So this is all steel rims and it's made with high quality steel, as you can see. Even the spokes are made of steel. So there are a couple of them here and tons of them, so which gives a good better support, and the wheel rim is really strong. As I've told you, I have rode with this exact back wheel flat. Now coming for this one, you may be wondering what is this here, like is this some sort of brake or something? No, it's not a brake. It is basically to protect the chain cap and the gear of that chain cap. Although this is not a gear cycle, it comes with a chain cap and a chain and even this plate. So it's basically made to protect that plate, and it's called a gear. Like most people call it gear, some call it plate. You can call it whatever you want. Now you can even rotate this. So this is plastic obviously, and this is a very high quality one. Like the time I took my bike, I have had some accidents before I got the balance, and even when I fell off, this remained intact. So this just shows you the quality. So this is the chain cap which I mentioned you about for the rider safety, because not to cut your or scrape up your leg like that. It comes with a safety cap, which is another thing I really like about this bike. Now you may ask, how can it even cut off? Like, I'm gonna show you where it get actually cut. You can see these chains and they run along this small plate kind of a thing, which is obviously from steel. It runs there, and although the plate is not a problem, these chains are, and these are very like when they're rotating very fast, like you're going full speed, these are actually made from metal, which my hand is not greased, which are made from metal, which are actually very sharp. Although they might look like not sharp, these edges are really sharp, and even some people have had accidents with them. So they've cut up the knee. So that was one of the other things which I was looking for, was a chain cap. Now coming to the other parts which I've done decorating. So this is the complete look of the bicycle, and then I'm going to show you some other features which come built in with the bicycle. Starting first with the pedals. These are very high quality pedals manufactured by A1 Cycles themselves. So by the way, I forgot to mention, my cycle's brand is A1. So it is the only, this is my first and one and only brand which I've bought, and it's a very reliable, high quality cycle. I can say 5 out of 5 stars. Now, so this is, as you can see, designed by A1 and comes with reflectors on both sides for the rider's safety during night. Now that is just not it. It comes for both the pedals. So this is the other pedal on the left side, and it's also manufactured by A1. You can see here, and also comes with pedals. Reflectors on both sides for, as I said, rider safety. Now, other things which this cycle comes pre-equipped are the reflectors. You may be surprised, but the amount of reflectors on this cycle is insane. I'm going to show you where all of those are located. 2 on each pedal, 1 pedal, 2 pedal, 4 reflectors, 2 on the front wheel, 2 on the back wheel, but there's only 1, so we're going to total it up to 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 1 reflector on the back, red one, 9, and coming to the front, this is the 10th reflector. So a lot of reflectors on the cycle, you can say. Well, that is to ensure the rider's safety, and you may be surprised that some bicycles comes with reflectors as a mandatory one, but they will not give this back and front reflectors. And also the handle is from high quality steel, and it's also made from A1 Cycles. It's given here. Now, this is just about it, and the brakes are not disc brakes. So I'm gonna tell you the reason why I did not buy the disc brakes. I really like to call this bicycle a sports bike because it comes with this fancy reflectors which my other cycles do not have, and trust me, my couple of my friends have electric cycles and none of them have reflectors this good. And coming to the seat is very comfortable. It's a good seat, and it's also made from A1. You can see here. It's given, so the whole bike is basically made from A1. And then coming to, there's a car which started. So coming to the other aspect. Okay. This is the cup holder or the bottle holder, you can tell. This comes as a normal feature with some cycles, but it came as a feature in my cycle, and you'll be surprised to know they even gave me a bottle for the bottle holder. This may come as a surprise, but not many cycles come with the feature of the bottle. So this is another great feature about my cycle. Now, coming to why I didn't get the disc brakes. Before that, let's talk on the braking. Coming to the brake. This is a caliper brake, which means there will be a bush sort of a thing which is connected by a cable and it's fitted onto this rim, and basically it works on the principle of friction and it breaks the cycle. So that is on the caliper brakes, very easy, but the caliper brakes have been very effective, great, but the only thing is I have to change them for 3 months, every 3 months due to wear, so that's one downside. But other than that, no problem. No. Now, why I did not get the disc brakes, you may ask. The reason for that is of the matte finish. So this it may come as a surprise to you, but this is a matte finish cycle. So I really like the matte finish, even though I was hoping for a carbonate finish one, which is my favorite. I ended up buying the matte one because the carbonate one was a lot more expensive and I would only. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, the disc brakes part. So the reason I did not get disc brakes was that of the matte finish, as I've told you, and but except for the disc brake, which was not a thing in my mind, because at that time I did not know what was a disc brake, what was a caliper one. I just saw these features and I was like, no, I have to buy this. So that was it. So even though if I wanted the disc brakes, it could have not come with a matte finish one, so which is for the whole body, and also it could have come with a gearbox, so 21 gears. So I did not want to buy that because this is actually my first bicycle and I did not want to end up buying a gears bicycle without even knowing to drive one. So I decided on buying a gearless one and then later upgrading to a gear cycle. So now, but the gear cycle plan is ditched off and I have plans to buy an e-bike, also known as an electric bike. Gear cycles are not the type for me, even though like I know how to drive the gear cycle with my neighbors when I practiced in that, but I don't like gear cycles, I won't tell you frankly. Like the gearless ones are best for me without, this is my personal feeling, without the hassle of changing the gears. So yeah, coming to the mud guards. So these are the mud guards and have been really effective. So this comes with an orange diamond one, which is like the sports bike, and also you get the orange for double sides on the front mud guard. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. So this is just the highlight on those features. I'm going to be taking this out for a drive review, and then I'm going to be showing how awesome this cycle is at performing. So I've been done some tricks in this bikes, like although this is an MTB which comes with great quality tires and stuff, it's still good to be on the safe side. So I won't go over the speed limit, even though in some rare cases, like when my exams were up, I had to drive my bicycle off the limit, so I had to come home fast to study. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day as always.